Well, it was hailing. There's still a couple of pieces of hail here and there, but it kind of stopped and it's raining for now. I don't see any funnels or Dorothy things going on, but there's a lot of lightning, so I guess this could be considered a Ben Franklin alert or something. There's lots of lightning and thunder, and there's a couple hail balls down there on that lawn bouncing around. You can see them like little pebbles bouncing around on that off of the lawn. Let's see. Every so often you'll see one bounce or off the roofs.